Lawn Scarifier explained, enhancing your garden's health. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very specific term, lawn scarifier. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about English vocabulary, this video will shed light on what a lawn scarifier is and why it's important. A lawn scarifier, also known as a dethatcher, is a garden tool designed for maintaining the health of a lawn. It removes thatch, a layer of dead grass, moss, and debris that can accumulate on the surface of the soil. This tool typically features a series of sharp blades or tines that cut through the thatch, allowing air, water, and nutrients to reach the grass roots more effectively. Why is scarifying important? A thick layer of thatch can prevent water, air, and nutrients from penetrating the soil, leading to a less healthy lawn. Scarifying helps to improve air circulation and water absorption, resulting in a greener, lusher garden. It's an essential step for anyone looking to maintain a vibrant and healthy lawn. Timing is crucial when it comes to scarifying your lawn. The best times are spring and autumn, when the grass is growing actively but not too rapidly. The process involves running the scarifier over your lawn in a pattern that covers the entire area. It's important not to set the blades too deep on the first pass to avoid damaging the lawn. Lawn scarifiers come in various types, including manual, electric, and petrol-powered. Manual scarifiers are suitable for smaller lawns and require physical effort. Electric scarifiers are more powerful and easier to use, ideal for medium-sized lawns. Petrol-powered scarifiers are the most powerful and are best for large lawns or more demanding scarifying tasks. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a lawn scarifier is and why it's an invaluable tool for garden maintenance. Remember, a well-maintained lawn not only enhances the beauty of your garden but also contributes to a healthier environment. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.